Hello friends of additive manufacturing. My name is Antonio and I invite you to discover an exciting series of short videos about additive manufacturing of functional materials with inkjet and related technologies as a part of the Notion Academy. Please join me. Dive into technical details and get insights directly from our experts. At Notion, we stand for highest precision in applications such as display, electronics, optics, and semiconductor manufacturing. Our technology platform opens up a multitude of possibilities to make electronics manufacturing more economical and sustainable. Join us and let us dive into the world of innovative manufacturing together.